Good evening, everybody. So, in this session, we'll see a couple of training evaluation models, and we'll start with the need for that. So, as a evaluating of training and assessing it, the project's quality becomes better. And like we discussed in the previous session, the measuring the uh, results and ROI are very important to assess the training. We have to justify the need for the training, and this evaluation helps us to do that. So some of the methods we'll be looking into in this evaluation domain or Kirkpatrick method, Phillips ROI method, and CIPP. So let us move on. So Kirkpatrick's method is a four-level approach where each level has its own goal. So in the first one, the we see how the participants are responding, like how they are uh, liking the training. We see their satisfaction and engagement, and make sure that they like the training program. At level 2, we ensure that their learning is completely, that gain the knowledge, that gain the skill sets, and these things are measured. Like we can conduct some surveys or questionnaire to make sure that they have understood whatever they have, the training they had gone through. So this is usually done at the post session. The third level is the behavior, where we see if they have the participants are able to apply those knowledge in their day-to-day work. So this is also a post evaluation model where we see their workplace and check if the knowledge is being applied. The final level is about what the organization has gained. So what is the impact the training had left, and how much productivity or profit had is achieved due to this training. So this is the Kirkpatrick model, and it is very easy and simple one to apply, and you will be able to get the results properly. One drawback is it doesn't associate the cost factor. So that is a drawback. And the next one, the Phillips ROI model, address that particular need. So it is an extension to the Kirkpatrick model, where the levels 1 to 4 remains the same, and level 5 is the extension, which is the return on investment. So it compares the program benefits to the cost using formulas like ROI equal to net program benefits slash cost into 100%. So you use some formulas like this to find out the cost of this training and the cost of the uh, benefit out of the training. So we compare this, and we'll be able to get a good view about the training program from a cost perspective. So this is a very good tool for the management to understand how effective the training was in terms of money. Uh, one This is advantage. One disadvantage is it is not a straightforward method, or in some cases the complexity doesn't allow us to come up with a clear number, and it becomes difficult to calculate. We move on to the CIPP methodology. Here, the C stands for context evaluation. We identify what needs to be addressed, what kind of training we need, on what kind of problem we have to solve, and we see the context. And input is what kind of material we can have for the training, what strategy we have to adapt, how to design it, what kind of resources we have to come up with. So these are all about what we have to uh, prepare for the training, and the processes about how well we had delivered the training and how effective it is, how the participants had received, and it is more about the training, how it went through. The final P is the product evaluation, where we assess the outcome or the results of the system and how effective the training was. So this is about the CIPP methodology. Again, it is a simple one, and we can easily adapt in any kind of project. So to compare these three models, Kirkpatrick's focuses on training and its outcome. It has 4 levels, and it is very easy to use it. It's high usability, and there is no financial cost calculation attached here. In Phillips, it is the cost factor. The monetary outcome is the main focus. It has 5 levels. The ease of use is moderate, and the financial ROI is present. The CIPP model is program improvement and how we can improve the program. And it has 4 components. It is moderate to complex in terms of ease of use. And the ROI is indirectly calculated. When should we use which tool? So Kirkpatrick's for evaluating the employee training effectiveness, and Phillips is when financial cost needs to be justified for the training. In those cases, we need to use this ROI model. And CIPP is for any kind of program, for any evaluation across education, non-profit, or complex initiative. So anything we can use this CIPP. To summarize what we saw, Kirkpatrick is a simple foundational model, and Phillips is the cost-oriented, ROI-focused for measurable impact, and CIPP is comprehensive for ongoing evaluation. So with this, we have completed the session, and if you have any questions, you can raise it. Thank you.